For the pattern, I picked the Scarlet Green Garden. I choose to name it that. It will be for fall 2023. I followed the steps from the video professor gave us, and then I put the roses. The pattern came like this originally. It had a beige, a darker red, a very bright red, and then just a subtle red behind. For that, I did select it here, transferred here to where the dress is. Then I have different sections. I have the skirt itself, the bodice, and then the band. I try to make sure that it all comes from one direction, so it'd be like around this area going down this way. So the band had a stem. I try to make sure that this kind of looks like it goes that way. And then the roses from here. Obviously on the pattern itself, the lighter roses or the beige color goes from down here and going up. But I felt like it would look a lot nicer if it went from the middle of the dress going down. So it's nice and like the color here, and then the beige just comes from straight up top. And I liked how it turned out. I tried rotating it. This is a different scale compared to these up here because they were smaller. And this is just a lot bigger compared to everything else from the dress. I do have the 3 sections, and I had a great time playing with different patterns. I did different renderings, but this is the pattern that I liked the most out of all of the ones that I did. I did about 4.